What's up, guys? We're here in another fishing video, part 2. Henry, go ahead and tell where we're going.
We're going to one of our friends' pond, and we are going to be trying to catch bass, catfish, and crappie.
See you at the fishing spot. And we're here, guys.
Look at that beautiful pond. Yeah, we're getting our fishing supplies, and let's just hope we catch something, because last fishing video was not good.
God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what I shoulda or coulda.
Bro, look at it. Oh, I already saw fish, bro. They were hopping right there. Yeah, I know. I got a little bit. Keep looking up there. There's fish already. Look at this, guys. Beautiful pond. Alright, let's get set up.
Oh, he's got one! No, Henry's got one! Dude, let's go! Oh, we got him!
Let's go. We got a freaking bass.
Wait, let me back up. Dude, that thing's nice. Guys, we caught something.
That's a good size, huh? Good fish.
No matter what they say, sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way.
Let's go! Oh my gosh! Let's go!
The universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
I swear, this is... Got him. Someone give me some slack. Henry. Yes, sir. Let's go. There's another one. We got another one. If we can, okay, this is actually way better than last fishing video. We didn't catch anything!
Shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe.
Look at him! Look at him!
My name, so it's a good day.
Cute.
Walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what I shoulda or coulda. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church say, and won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. It's a good day, no, it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
Well, guys, that was fantastic. We got to meet our friends, and we got a lot of bass. Yep. We're gonna go ahead and end the video. Hope y'all enjoy the next one. Subscribe, like the video, and remember, 2,000 likes, I'll jump in the pond. Okay? See ya.
So